Alright, hey guys, I'm back with another video, of course. I'm going to get a muffler on my truck because it is very illegal to have a straight pipe on any vehicle. So I got pulled over multiple times with it. I got out of all the tickets that I should have gotten, but I got out of them because I had a legitimate reason, and they all know why, and they're all car guys. So I'm gonna do a little test view, or the test sound of what it sounds like before and after, and this is from my phone, so I don't have my GoPro. So let's see how this goes. You're right in front of the tire. Alright, so there's a little preview of it, and I'm gonna download this to my laptop and show you guys once I get back home, or to the shop. I should say, go to the shop. Mesa Mufflers, where I'm going. Probably gonna get a Flowmaster 50 or 60 series, Super Series, or something along the line like that. That's what I've been looking at. And yeah, so this is the before view, and I'll see you guys in a bit.